With these people in our communities who are just struggling with alcohol dependency or who are causing antisocial behaviour issues because of alcohol-related issues.
Apparently you've got until March of next year.
National stuff, not just one parliamentary term. Crunch a few numbers, make it all better again. So it's always going to be tough, so I'm always sort of curious in a way you can't really.
What's fascinating, he develops this utter obsession. The character Adrian Lester plays, this certain very sort of happy, confident, assured, successful.
Now, if you can help us out, I know there's lots of other stuff going on. Please get in touch. 0345 481 0088 or text 82122.
The person to me.
Come on, get out, get out.